So today I'll be showing you how to uninstall apps from your Apple Watch SE3. So if you're trying to create some storage space, or you just have an app that you're not using, here's how to uninstall it. So from the watch face, press on the crown once to go to the main menu, and this is where all your apps are. So find the app you want to uninstall. So let's say I want to uninstall this app here, this Strava. So what you need to do is long press on the app icon, and then you will see all the apps jiggling. So you want to tap on the little X icon on top of that app you want to uninstall, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to delete that app? So for me it's Strava, for you it could be a different app. So tap on delete app, and that app is going to get uninstalled. It's really that simple, and you can do that for every app you want to uninstall. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.